The unicorn who fixed broken rainbows. Lumi, the unicorn, loved one thing more than anything else in the whole Glitterwood forest: rainbows. Big ones, tiny ones, upside-down ones, even double loop-doodle ones. But Lumi had a teeny problem. She wasn't just a unicorn. She was a fix-it unicorn. And lately, every rainbow in Glitterwood kept breaking. One morning, Lumi lay in the soft grass, dreaming in colors. Suddenly, plink, plonk, crack! A rainbow above her snapped in half like a spaghetti noodle. "Oh, Sparkles, not again!" Lumi jumped to her hooves. "Don't worry, Rainbow. I'm on my way." She grabbed her trusty rainbow repair kit, a shiny box filled with color glue, sparkle tape, and a tiny hammer shaped like a marshmallow. Lumi trotted to the broken rainbow arch. Half hung in the sky, the other half drooped sadly over a bush of bluebell flowers. Now what caused this? She wondered. Then she spotted it. A tiny storm cloud with tiny arms was yanking on rainbow ends like they were jump ropes. "I'm practicing my tug-of-war," the cloud squeaked. "Am I strong yet?" "You're very strong," Lumi said gently. "But rainbows aren't toys." The little cloud drooped. "Oh, sorry." Lumi smiled kindly. "Stay and help me fix it?" The cloud brightened instantly. "Yes!" Lumi hummed as she worked. Sloop, smear, shimmer. She glued on new color stripes: raspberry pink, moonlight mint, and shy sunset orange. Then came the twist. Just as Lumi reached the top of the rainbow, the colors suddenly ran away. They slid right off the arch like slippery noodles and zoomed into the forest. Red zipped into the rose bushes, green hid in the grass, blue bounced into a puddle and giggled, yellow floated up and tried to nap on the sun. "Oh no," Lumi groaned. "The colors are feeling too wiggly today." The storm cloud puffed up bravely. "I'll help. I'll round them up, cloud style." Woo! Off they dashed, unicorn and cloud, through the bright forest. Red was the trickiest. Every time Lumi got close, "Can't catch me!" and it zoomed away like a spicy chili pepper. Yellow nearly drifted into space. Lumi had to leap and grab it mid-air. "Whew! Gotcha!" Green pretended to be grass until the storm cloud tickled it. Finally, blue splashed Lumi on purpose, leaving her mane soaked and dripping. "Blue!" Lumi sputtered. Blue snorted. One by one, Lumi coaxed the colors back. "Rainbows need you," she said warmly. "They can't shine without every single one of you." The colors gathered together, glowing softly like shy little fireflies. Back at the arch, Lumi carefully brushed each color back into place. Sloop, smooth, sparkle. Whoosh! The rainbow lit up brighter than ever, so bright the whole forest gasped. "Lumi, it's beautiful," the little cloud whispered. Lumi beamed. "It's fixed because we worked together." But just before she closed her repair kit, the rainbow trembled, wiggled, then popped out a tiny new stripe, a glowing band of cloud silver, the color of bravery. "For me?" the storm cloud squeaked. For helping, Lumi said. The rainbow arched proudly across the sky, complete, shining, and stronger than ever. And from that day on, whenever a rainbow broke in Glitterwood, everyone knew just who to call. Lumi, the unicorn who fixed broken rainbows, and the little storm cloud who made everything a bit brighter.